Okay, so this is going to be a short tutorial on how to get Speedfan working the right way at the right RPMs in Windows 7, making it auto start. Go to your start menu, type in your search, task, see scheduled tasks, go to that. Go to the task schedule library. You can see I have 2 of them already. So instead of creating more, I'm just going to open them up. If you wanted to create another one, you'd go over to create task, not create basic task, create task. Okay. And it'll basically bring you up empty here. Type in the name of it, you can type in the description. Important, check run whether user is logged in or not. It'll make you put a password in, but that's okay, but not every time. Run with the highest privileges, make sure that's checked. Make sure you have the right operating system here checked. Triggers. Okay, you're going to hit new, and basically you're going to have something like this. You want it to be at login, any user at login. Delay task for 30 seconds, or you could do a minute, either or. This is important too, this is what makes it all work. Repeat task every 2 minutes for a duration of 3 minutes. Stop all running tasks at the end of repetition duration. What you're basically doing is you're creating 2 of these. Creating 2 processes, because in order to get it to work right, you can have it auto start, but it only will take you down to about 2000 RPM for some reason. You have to click on it again, open the application manually, or do this. So this is the reason why I finally came up with this. But at any rate, it opens 2 of them at the same instance, but it'll shut it down after 3 minutes. It'll shut the one down, and then the other one will kick in, and it works. Actions, go to your actions, new, you'll see, browse, find your thing, simple. Conditions, uncheck. Settings, allow tasks to be run on demand. You can even uncheck that. That's stupid. That's about it. And then when you end, it'll ask you for your password. Type it in. Create another one. Same way you created the first one. I'm just going to the properties. It's the same thing. It'll come up general and just run through. Except for the history isn't there. Name it. Same thing here. Run whether users logged in or not. Run with highest privileges. Windows 7. Triggers. Well, this one's going to be a little different. Not much. Still at login. Any user. Delay task for 2 minutes. Remember the first one was 30 seconds, or you can make it even a minute. This comes on 2 minutes, so it gives enough time to process everything else. This one, you don't repeat task, you don't do any of that, okay, because this is the one that's actually going to stay on, because the other one doesn't shut off till after the 3 minutes, so I had it overlap there instead of making it only work for 2 minutes, because then I could get a little, hairy there. So, and basically the rest is the same. The action, same thing. Um, Same thing, uncheck all that. Um, you know, Obviously, if task doesn't want to end when requested, force it to stop. Allow task to be run on demand. Why not? In this one, you can do stop the existing instance, even though the existing instance, I think, doesn't stop until it shuts itself off like a minute later. Anyways, you have to watch it. I watch it, tweak out on it. It works though. Okay, password again. Okay, and there you have it. And then you can just X out of that and basically restart your computer, and you can open up the task menu and check the check processes from all users, and after 30 seconds or so, you'll see the first Speedfan pop up, and then about a minute and a half or so later, the second one will pop up, which will make it actually work and drop your RPMs, which I can show you here. Oh, great. I have my resolution set different. So it'd be easier to record. Now you can't see the probes that are over there, but at any rate, it's down around 900 RPMs instead of 2000, and it still works under load and variates or whatever. The problem is it doesn't seem to want to take the configuration file unless well, it probably uses at least how you have it set up, because it does. I don't know. It might not even really work at all. Really good. It might even just be the data or the QFan or something like that. But at any rate, I hope this helps somebody. Enjoy. Good luck.